In this lesson for Nik Software Dfine 2.0, we'll take a look at how the software integrates within Apple's Aperture image editing software. After you've launched Aperture and you've opened the images on which you wish to work, you can access the Nik Software interface two ways. You can click on Images, Edit With, or you can also click on the live image that's been selected and hold down the Control key, Control-click, Edit With, which is a great shortcut for accessing all of the interfaces. As we've opened the image, the Dfine has done two things specifically. Noise reduction is always in two steps. You have to measure the amount of noise that's present, then you reduce the noise. Well, as we opened the interface, it automatically has profiled the image and has read the amount of noise that's in the image. The software has gone out to find areas of the image where there's no tonality, where there's no texture, where there's no information other than smooth and non-textured. So it's trying to find and read the amount of noise that's present. It'll read color noise or chrominance noise, and also luminance noise or contrast noise. If I double click on the live image, that'll take us to 100%. And now my loop tool has become a navigator, so I can move around the image. And I can go up to the different views. We've got single image with the preview checkbox before and after. We've also got a split preview, which is really helpful in an image like this. So we can just slide this around. Let me move my navigator down lower in the image. And you can see by going left and right, there's the noise. There's before, there's after. And it's really done a great job of holding sharpness in the image while at the same time removing the noise. And you can also change the view to a side-by-side preview. Although with noise reduction it's sort of difficult to find to see that side-by-side preview. The checkbox, of course, is only activated when you're in the single image view. And then you also have a drop-down menu for different modes where you can check the amount of luminance noise, and you can also check the amount of chrominance noise. In this case, you can see it's a little bit more chrominance noise present. And you can also check the noise mask, the contrast or color noise mask, based on when we selectively apply noise reduction with viewpoint technology, working with control points, which we'll show you in a moment. And as within all of the Nik Software interface design, we now have the direct select tool, of course the zoom tool, and a pan or hand tool. And you can certainly change with an easy click the background color around your photograph. All of the image adjustments in all of the softwares now from Nik Software are in the upper right hand corner with all sliders and everything you need available to you there. And here in the measure area you have the option of measuring automatically or manually adjusting the measurements. You can choose to selectively reduce the noise or you can globally reduce the noise. It's entirely your decision. If you choose to selectively reduce the noise, in this case you might want to click control points, and you have a control point minus and a control point plus. So you could select a specific area of the image that you wanted to leave the noise in. For example, maybe in this light green area down here, maybe the texture of the bottom of the forest is enhanced because of the noise. So maybe we'll just put the control point there. I'll increase the size to include all of those areas right in here that are that same tonality, and it'll leave the noise in that area. So it'll remove the noise reduction. And you can see that when I click on the mask, so that those dark areas are where noise reduction is not being applied. So selectively it gives us some great opportunities to select out the image and how we wish for the noise reduction to be applied. Then I just click OK, click Save, and it takes us back to Aperture, and then you'll see as we go back into Aperture's interface, you'll see the original image here, and then here is the new version which has the noise reduction applied. So it's very simple, it's non-destructive, and it's a great way to reduce noise quickly and easily and most effectively.